Hey, it's Adrian, and if you're getting a sensitive notification showing on your smartwatch anytime you get a text from your bank or any other type of service, and you want to disable that, it's really simple to do. So on your Samsung phone, you're going to pull down from the top, click on this gear icon, and then you're going to scroll down to notifications. Tap on notifications, then tap on advanced settings. Now, look for this option, suggest actions and replies for notifications. Make sure this option is off. If this option is on, that's why you're going to see it say sensitive notification or hidden notification. Disable that option, try again, and your issues should be fixed. Now, if you're on another phone, not a Samsung phone, it may not work or you may not see this option. In that case, when you're in your settings, search for enhanced notifications and see if you see something like that. Now you can see I don't see this option for enhanced notifications on my Samsung phone, but on your Google or Android phone, you may see this option. And if that still doesn't help, you could try one other thing. So go back into settings, go under notifications, and where it says lock screen notifications, you're going to tap on that. Make sure it's set to cards and make sure it's set to show content instead of at the bottom here where it says hide contact. Additionally, tap into the gear icon and make sure that it's enabled for messages. Now, if you use something else like Messenger or some other service and you're getting that issue, make sure it's enabled for the corresponding app. Now, if you found this video helpful, check out some of my other Samsung tips and tricks videos. I have videos on how to fix the new pull-down system that got messed up in One UI and a bunch of other settings. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and follow me for more tips like this. And I'll see you in the next one soon.